Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. We are nothing enough. We are nothing enough. We are nothing enough.
92.4 FM. And I pay ye bedi ye yɛn kɔ atansɛm ho nkɔmmɔ yɛ asetena mu ne yɛfa mbra ho ɛwɔ kurom ha yɛba abɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ ɛnkyɛ biara no BWF solicitors ɛba abɛka yɛn nsa ɛyɛ Uncle Ben na yɛde dwumadie no ahyehyɛ so ɛnti no mepɛ sɛ wobɛtɛ mu tuku na watwɛn nothing but the best and I de bro na answer na Uncle Ben be joining in no so wohwehwɛ BWF solicitors a ɛhe ɛna wobɛhu ɔmo BWF solicitors omo wɔ 4th floor of the Anna House. 214 to 218 High Road. 7 Sisters. Postcode near N15 4NP. Say woko na one hour drive here. Call Tesco. Car park ho, me park ho for 90 minutes free of charge. And all console by Tuba, a 7 Sisters tube station, exit number 2. And obepeta obepie a free. Now buses in so I call BWF solicitors a 149 76 243 259 279 318476. I ana pay din common ebia o asem bi se bia pese wo frɛ office ho na obi sa number wo betimi a contact omo woso ne 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. We a BWF solicitor some contact number na media to John. Ain't no main check me per se me call na makakoma Uncle Ben aqua badia badru median so. Good
Hello.
morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning, Irene. Anope Michiao Memao Akwaba. I hope sir wo ne wabusia 4 and our pam 4 our Rainbow Radio. Obia hoye. Anope nchia kese nkoma yadofo anope omabeka ye ho. Mo ama join Rainbow Radio portal anase mo tie DAB. Mo ba BWF Facebook anase YouTube mo nyina yadamase yesre nyame nhyira ma mo nyina me dofo Irene ene no yawo topic bi a da yakoma so bebre a yapese de bra wo na ansana yɛbɛkɔ no sɛ woma me kwan a yɛbɛyɛ update kakra na afei yɛatoa so enti mesan to ma wo bio.
Yo, Uncle Bernard, yɛda wase anɔpɛ. Thank you very much. Me pacho. Ɛkwan da hɔ. Wotimi ma yɛn update no na yɛwie a yɛde topic for today no yɛde ahyehyɛ so. So I hand it back over to you.
Yo, say the first thing yɛbɛpɛ sɛ yɛde bɛto dwa ne home secretary. Yɛ maame sɛ waka ne ho kakra na deɛ munim no labor ɛba no na ɛkɔyɛ wantwi kakra na nkurɔfoɔ bi a wɔayɛ wɔn ho racist wɔn bɛpagya immigration no sɛnɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔbɛyɛ na reduce labor for vote ama Nigel Farage a sɛbe menim deɛ nti a Ghanafoɔ bi support no ɔmpɛ bibifoɔ anim ahwɛ koraa ɔde bɛyɛ topic ama ɛno nti no ɛbaa sɛ yɛkɔ election no ɔmo support conservatives bebree ɛkɔ support no ama obenya MPs ama ɔmo akɔ houses of parliament reduce conservative for ɔmo popular vote ɛde ba the lowest in over 40 years a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛha adwene ama labour although sɛ ɔmo nya resounding victory no na nkurɔfoɔ bi ka sɛ ɔmo victory no any roots nti ɛnyɛ deep because of immigration and foreigners they're taking over our jobs na ɛno bɛyɛ we nti yɛn nuaba home secretary was setting up the new measures offering new measures to boost Britain's border security. Now, ọba bɛyɛ tough, okay? Ọba bɛyɛ tough. Nti ɔde measures aba ɔmo afrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no NCA yɛfrɛ no National Crime Agency. Ɛno no ɔmo bɛ employ a new 100 specialist intelligence and investigation officers. Now, ɔmo bɛyɛ investigation is usually to disrupt omo people trafficking. Yɛka people trafficking omo yɛ omo te sɛ omo kɔ bi Africa, Asia, na omo kɔ sesa nkurɔfoɔ na omo de omo cross border no dodoɔ na nso fa nsuo no so unfortunately ne yɛ hwere bi mu. Afei nso flights yɛde free yɛde deport nkurɔfoɔ no omo bɛ increase no. And I almost can sometimes I almost have a but the problem is sɛ nipa no exhaust on the grounds or the tena kromo a wontimi fa no nkɔ ɛno nso ɔmo ba bɛ increase no ama removal levels no ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo increase no to about 2018 level baabi a na ɛyɛ high no ebiom ɔmo create 290 extra beds ɛwɔ Camsfield ɛna Hasla Immigration Removal Center deɛ kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔmo bɛ increase detention facilities na ɔmo redeploy ɔmo staff no akɔ baabi a ɔmo feel so ɔmo hia na afei mo employ nkurɔfoɔ a mo nkyɛke ɔmo right to work no ɔmo bɛ increase sanctions no ama unfortunately no fines na ɛyɛ 40,000 no ɔmo bɛ apply to nkurɔfoɔ bebree deɛ ɛyɛ very key a mepɛ sɛ obi ahyɛ ne nso ɛyɛ the alternative ways a wobɛtumi ɛde atena ha as far as ɔmo yɛ concerned no ɔmo bɛ restructure the whole process until last week meka sɛ MCA yɛfrɛ ɔmo maka MAC Migration Advisory Committee ɔmo na ɔmo advise aban no about immigration ɔmo ayɛ hia area any jobs sisi a me no ka sɛ IT computing ne IT ɛyɛ area bi a ɔmo hwɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛ review in addition no ekuo bi a me join ɔmo no ɛnɛ ɔmo de aba out sɛ mo yɛ application a mo yɛ fee waiver no mo nyinaa mo fa nti yɛbɛhyɛ link no ɛwɔ yɛ website no so na mo ayɛ report deɛ nti a yɛ saa ne sɛ yɛ collect data na yɛde akɔ court na yɛ challenge saa fee waiver process no the other thing a mepɛ sɛ meka ɛyɛ applications a yɛyɛ free outside ɛde aba ɔhema the sad thing ne sɛ woyɛ application abɛka wo kun anaa wo yere ho a ɛnɛ me ne wo kasa yi fee no ɛyɛ over £4,000 over now menim nkurɔfoɔ dodoɔ a ɔmo ɛwɔ saa sika no na memma specifically fee no bo because enura yetua bi na it blew my mind. Na the problem a woman say a problem. Enti se wofa immigration fee na nkasa for obi a oba aware, obi a obeka ne maame ana ne papa ho a through aware, obi a obetena ne mpena ho. Immigration fee no ɛyɛ $2,490. Ana IHS no ɛyɛ ɛno nso yɛ 4,187. Wodi two no bom a na kyerɛ sɛ 2,000 plus 4,000 no na ɛyɛ 6,500. 6,500 no we divide na 1.26 a na kyerɛ sɛ wobenya 5,158. I mean, a day. Sebe, we awufi akra kakra ko central region ho Kaswa area no mo. Utimi de to asase start foundation. Enti me pese from week de koi. Obi a hye ne nso. Se wo ye application abeka wo yere ana wo kun ho a. Ska wo betua eye £5,158. But utimi ye fee waiver. Enti se wunni ska na obetua, most people I would say about 95%. Omuni savings da ho omni betua se ska. They will have to pay. Se wuntimi ntua, ye frɛ bibi ye frɛ no affordability test, both under Article 8 and at the sectional routing. Se wuntimi ntua sa ska we a, mepsraw memma eno ensi wo kwan. Wo Ghana, wo Timbuktu, wo Mali, wo Ivory Coast, or America. Baby, I will be no. So, wo ba beka wo yere ana wo kun utia 5,158. Na wuntimi ntia. Obetimi aye fee waiver. Fee waiver application no very easy. The here ne say obe ma sa wo bank statements a wo de beka ho. O yere no wa na wo kun no wa no so de bank statement beka ho. Na wo de aye sa application no. Now, most applications are here, no. So evidence in here right and quadia omnibaba. And Tiano say adia, the person will be ashamed because for me, it's just mind blowing. So what they were bushing neighbor abekamo. Nasa fi we yesitia. The other part, more outside, and I'm say a concentration also. Sometimes we'll buy UK. Na ebia wobɛka wo maame wo papa wo dɔfo wo yere wo mpena because sana munim no sɛ woni obi atwempena a emu pi emu edu a motaa hu mo ho mo frɛ mo ho mo wɔ evidence a mo atwempena for at least 2 years under your law no the definition of a partner no obi a wona na atwempena for 2 years so wona no entna kra da wo UK ba ebi oba holiday or Ghana uhu no matwempena mo evidence utimi e the yes application na sa application no a your friend unmarried partner no e very key ma ye mo bebre because obi wo ho a sebe na omo nye ready say omo ko ware enti ade a wo se wo kira ne se mumu bia ware a sa ware na wa ware no a break it down yanka se why divorce by break it down. And to be break it down, either say what take steps I started divorce, and I say evidence I'll bet me actually say nipa na waware na money na break it. To the new partner na we share no what na what date what trempena for at least 2 years more evidence, text messages, photographic messages, or travel to Ghana or stamps our passport airline ticket and airline tickets is here nigina electronic enti ubewo email ni saa nneɛma no so applications nso new case be about a friend of the case of Al Hassan until AL space HASSAN article 8 entry clearance 2024 citation upper tribunal now there case you can say so what Ghana na wo dɔfo bi te ha wo maame te ha wo papa te ha na wo application na wo ba your friend of Article 8 of the European Convention of Human Rights. Ade I can say family life and a private life. Into be our family life, any say your titisa family name. All those a qualified right. Ubetimi a tisa right, ye tiene se ubetimi akamu no aka say sa me right application ya me say gina so. Court na say the facts are outside, but still I was say aban ehwe sa right no ama oye bibi ama wa I was oka and it's our case of Al Hassan article 8 year 2024 citation, which means a fairly recent case na che say oh yeah and also ubetimi ede aka ho aye eno ne enne ade a me pese ye de tudwa for now na because me hu se mre no kokakra na se mre wo ma question bi wo ho a me answer but question bi animo a me start the other one na me pese make mo am was skilled migrant route no eno ne ye beka no bas mo am was skilled migrant route no going rate na aban de buy na ye basa no sa going rate no aban asesa no enti omo the new going rate aba ɛno nso mewie we a yɛbɛyɛ ho video na yɛde ama nti mo watch it out because me who say confusion bi was our area na kakra yɛbɛsesa na yɛde abɛka ho nti Irene sɛ wayɛ krado a meso mayɛ krado nti mesa to ma obi
Yo, Uncle Ben, get us super for the updates. More share na more seeing. I feel I do with you to a higher Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. Yeah, live on Facebook and it's Rainbow Radio UK. Ubeti me akwa sharing. So tuning in swatch. Share Rainbow Radio on a tea and Uncle Ben and I pay. Ofri BWF solicitors ono na oda edwuma no ano ono na ɔhyɛ aseɛ ai ono na oda ano na anape ɔde update no abrɛ yɛn enti no ɔde topic for today no yɛde ɔbɛ start na sɛ wowɔ question bi bisa wotumi send a text message 07771950989 wotumi send WhatsApp message ɛba na ma wei so question time no so a me fa question no na maybe so Uncle Ben ɛde ama wo pɛ wo friends so a yɛwie topic for today na ɛkwan da hɔ ma wo sɛ wo friend na wo bisa either any question bia efa immigration ho anaasɛ topic a yɛbɛ discuss and announce say update no the brain wo wasɛm bisa bia wotimi ɛfrɛ na wo bisa ɛyɛn ɛwɔ hɔ number no yɛ 0208-133-4646 enti no yɛbɛkɔ back to Uncle Ben na akɔgye the topic for today.
Yo, ohima ene topic no the ntia yɛde bae emretie ni obete medis US ne bae menya adwuma mis US no adwuma na yɛma me no anso me bae menhu meku ana me yira me no bae intiminim sɛ US no akosi sen biom ɔsɛ me madam na ɔde me bae no yɛ ba betwa ne COS nim ana ne license nim enti me pedwuma ye menya binya ohene yewo three main areas your friend self sponsoring but me beka the easiest the first one no innovative visa maka ho asem da enti innovative visa na innovation founder no wo special adwuma bi a wo ye no ntine ubitimi employ nkrofo na wakɔgye license no na wo no yɛde ma wo ɛno no yɛde ma wo a for wo nko a business no na yɛama wo but we go through stages of assessment and approval ɛnyɛ no na ɛnam ɛbɛka the other one so your friend of scale up ɛno nso wɔ hɔ ana the other one so ɛno nso a creative industry ɛno for musicians ne artists ne other ones And then main focus here. Sa route na wo de buy na no. A friend of skilled worker route no. Wo so betimi abie. Now I've said this before, but nkrofo bebree na and to say what we do, your person nkrofo employer since employer. Enti sa route ya wo de aba say ye care, construction, HR, teaching, child minding, and also bakery, butchers, restaurant, cafe, takeaway, garage, fitting garage, air condition repairer, refrigerator repairer. Saa di wei nyinaa no woyɛ Ghana ni na wo kurom ha na obi na de wo bae wama wo US ba w'ani ngye ho wopɛ sɛ wo move on a wobɛtumi ayɛ. Enti your focus no self-sponsoring as a skilled worker. Enti yɛbɛyɛ basic rules no a wo na wo employ wo ho. The emphasis no wo employ wo ho na wakɔ akɔgye certificate. Na sɛ wo nko akora na woyɛ adwuma ma saa business na wobɛtumi ayɛ. Enti den na yɛfrɛ no skilled worker route no. Yɛhwɛ a skilled worker route no one way a wobɛtumi de ayɛ adwuma wɔ UK. There are other ways a wobɛtumi ayɛ adwuma. Either sɛ woyɛ British, woyɛ Irish, woyɛ European, or wowɔ limited leave, and as a pre-settled status, and our settled status. Omo here sɛ wobɛnya license ansa na wa employ mo yɛ omo wɔ ha lawfully. But obi a wɔ ha biara no sɛ wopɛ sɛ wo employ na ɛwɔ sɛ wotimi hwɛ na wohwɛ sɛ nipa no ɛwɔ asetena. Enti the first your starting point no say wɔ ha lawfully. That is our starting point. The first basic rule wɔ ha lawfully. Enti wɔ ha ebia the kind of buy yama 3 years visa, 2 years visa, 4 years visa, 1 year visa, and now the construction buy, and now the admin officer, and our recruitment officer, and the buy. Yama 1 year or visa. The first step I was so Eunice. So I will leave to remain. Although say ya tile to the condition say obey adwuma ma obi no. Also betimi asset up a business. It is possible. It is possible because say wo UK ha na wo ha lawfully nkran dia. We meet one of the requirements because for under the skilled worker route no, I was a business no any business owner no omo wo UK. Until we meet one of the first requirements. Some requirement ebie ni mo a yaka se we a skilled worker or limited leaver wintimi mbambeje license. The only one wintimi nye a key officer 1. Enti yehwe level 1 user eno pe ana wo a wo bie wadwuma no wintimi nye. Na level 1 no eno no be issue COS no. Now I will explain the enti eno no wintimi nye. Enti the person be at so wo ha lawfully nko dia. So this US na buy you so the den buy you. Wo so betimi abie wadwuma. Enti that is the first thing. Wo pese wo bie wadwuma. So the way me ne kwaku ayeda. Me kire am steps a yedi bie adwuma. So na obeya wadwuma no ebe dimu na why your forecast for the future. Maye ne nyina enti mo call your YouTube and our Facebook mo betimi emu video no. The second thing ne say sa first part no wo be bie wadwuma no wako company's house wa fill your form wa ye wo articles and a memo eno oma hyehye ne nyina wo ho watua wo fee unhia lawyer amana ya ama wa obetimi bie o company enti maka businesses mfa mesa bobe 5 so baker, butcher, mechanic, air condition, refrigeration, restaurant, takeaway. Enti saa 7 ye wo more ba me ma example. Enti waba obi na do ba sa obeyeke ba wo Ghana no na wo ye feature ni. Enti wo pese obie mechanic shop. Enti we bie mechanic shops no. Why register a company's house? Why an limited liability company? Wono we a director. Ubetimi afa another director account. Upea wonfa obia. Wonkwa na we a director. What be a business no? The next level I was say we say I was said why register into what your certificate. Then within that process no, we will proof of several documents I may be listed. So person will sponsor on one business registration with company's house. Now, once a wire no, then you have to apply for a sponsor license. I was a business, any owner no, more present UK physically. And in America says, so we see you as in Kwana or even 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years was what? Ubit maybe. Why no? Near maybe or I was a winner. Maybe listed about 7. There are more, but the who here pano and then I may listed. 1. I was a winner employer's liability insurance. I be cover for 5 million. Na omwa obe insure omono. Insurance na was some year regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. 1. 2. I was a will register with HM Revenue and Customs as a business because our registration now will register with HM Revenue and Customs. Ombema PAYE reference number. We have application now. I was audition because wow, how do a business here? Wo business na employer na ye be issue COS amount na wet media na ha. Part of the application process. I was say what with PAYE reference and HM revenue or tax reference. I was say what the shares. So registration with HM revenue. Wow, bet me aye, but we are concerned. Obet me the accountant. No, I am. 3. Say wo business no afa no waf ya. Unhia say obe file company tax return. But say business now operating for at least 12 months, obehia company tax return. Bear in mind that there's a difference between self-employed tax return, which is SA, because ubetimi age license as a self-employed person, are possible. But are better so obey no a limited liability company. Now make sure the entire may prefer no to self-employed. Say adwuma na we no aban ahyehyɛ sɛ wo turnover no yɛ over 60,000 I was so register for VAT. Please register for VAT because near many BIA no so we a service provider what's charge VAT to say your lawyer say you charge VAT until register for VAT certificate. What dress now what they register a business say you with them say your shop say a lease awakɔgye and a license awakɔgye or any of this other premises now. I will say we need proof says our business no. Our baby or trade from. It can be your home, a tenancy agreement, and as a mortgage document, and as a lease of the business no. So what trade here? I will say we need the most recent annual accounts from a certified regulated accountant or also or yet regulated by one of the accounting regulators in the UK. Mr. Remo, these are specified Annex A documents because areas your Annex A and Annex B documents need be compulsory. For example, one trade for 1 year. When your accounts. So, when your VAT, won't register for VAT. But there are things I was aware. We be here our bank account. It is a wouldn't bank statement. Let's come more. I was a bank manager and our relationship manager. A true letter, a mouth. Now, near my Kenya, no, Maka SCO for supporting documents under Annex A. Now, baby, wona wahana yese baby nipa na wama COS no. I was so yeah mama no full time, but obetimi aye 20 hours no. It allows to do other things. And it is how 20 hours no. At the beginning no until say wow be employ wo ho ama ye issue COS ama through business no. I was so appointed nkrofo. The first key role I was appointed a authorizing officer. We must be a senior person or you're very competent. Or no be manage SMS system no. SMS no and would be issue COS, DCOS, or they apply for extension, or they budget more areas. 2. Key contact. Normally key contact no or lawyer meet me a key contact. And also be employer be a key contact. Wow bet me a key contact. Baby, I won't mean yet a level 1 user because I don't know requirement and I say the minimum requirement and also you'll be or you're settled. When who the COS in the buy when you're settled, and you also will be fan as employee, a partner, and a director, or no level 1 user. The entire sad way very, very key in say. Why you when you why apply for sponsorship no yama license sa level 1 user na wo na wa employ no ono na obe issue certificate COS ama na wo de atena wo business nim na watimi akogye asetena ewo sa de we nyina make we no possible if 1 we above 18 wo kromo ha lawfully. We need criminal conviction. When you obi a we are bankrupt. When you obi a ya ban or say won't be director of a company. Vacancy now we your application. I will say we declare vacancy. And for one we declare 1 vacancy because a bema kwan near my COS for 1 person. And na what the be employer no sa COS no. Wo a won't be issue emma wo. The entire say employer obi no. Or no say issue ma because over your appendix L for license sponsors duties no over L5 4.1 key workers now can obi or level 1 user authorized officer person a contact person no the only one qualified level 1 user I don't know who won't mean yet enti so what damfo bi wa ha enye wunia because wunia ntimi issue COS ML. But so wo adamfo bi wo ha. Wo obi a obetimi ne na hyehyɛ na ono abɛyɛ level 1 user. I was so a employee of the business. Bear in mind say a limited liability company. Enti nya wo na wo employer because limited liability no ye nipa. Enti limited liability no all employees say nipa no. Enti contract na nya between me na usu. Ena Ajoba. Contract na ye Abacus Construction Limited. Ena Ajoba. Enti samekase employee obi a menkasa wona na usu na employee obi. Me say business no or employee level 1 user. Why we nyina awie no? I will say we prove say sa adwuma no. Say ye construction, say ye bakery, say ye takeaway restaurant, say ye sitting restaurant, say ye cafe, say ye butchers. Say a refrigeration, say a mechanic. Won here say obi beba be ye adwuma wo ho. Enti genuine vacancy no. A test I was a business no pass from day 1. The only way I will bet me approve way and they say we be business plan and business forecast. Business plan and business forecast no then na etie. Business plan a plan na wo wahyehyɛ esi ho for business no. Enti yafa Abacus Construction and Abacus Mechanics. Abacus Mechanics no adwuma a beautiful. It's about 3 months old. Wo sa Abacus Construction no and Abacus Mechanics no. What forecast say area Tottenham ewa ha and 7 Sisters no. Mechanics 4 na wa ha. Wo de be kan ho 5. Why assessment who say competition wa ha. Ubetimi aye cars in a typical week or in a typical month no ubetimi aye forecast no say we MOT and I will repair some and I will repair cooling system, and I will change oil. Way na obeje. Now I'm doing a business plan and a cash flow forecast. Or cash flow no a week in the way na onya. Oya a month say na obenya. You can do by quarter, by monthly, or by annual. The problem with this and say, so one yet forecast now. Bear in mind say wuniska. Mechanic and so no ni pay no 38,700. Wuni capre head our account. How are you going to pay? Sir, nana wusia wo ba employ. How are you going to pay? Into who business no be employ wo. How is the business going to pay you? Well, because who this account? You don't have 38,700 sitting there. The only way I'll bet me the approval, and they have said it. Sir, within your application, you have to do something called business case. Obi or running good business to say yeah, you see, we have a business plan for 3 months, for 6 months, for 1 year, for 5 years. And in the next 5 years, we know where we will be. We know what our income will be because we do a budget. Part of the budgeting system, no, when a customer, when a why is no, we bet me I justify on paper. Say in 6 months, in 3 months, in 1 month, no, every month be a bet me a 3,000. 4,000 and now 5,000. So when you have 5,000 a month, that is about 60,000 a year. So when you 38,700 plus employer contribution and pensioner, give and take maybe about 42. The rest, I will say to me cover overheads. Bear in mind, say you are only employing one person, which is you. 80, that should be sufficient. But wouldn't mean be a business, with no plan. Absolutely nothing. No cash flow, no budgeting, absolutely nothing. Now, your application, you would therefore need an accountant or a business development strategist. Nancy, or apply for COS, just COS. Omo back say, on funny account. I mean, I know he had almost about 250,000 pounds in the account. So that's not a problem. But can you imagine, say, me encourage you, say, oh, COS, wow, bet me a be a human employer. Who niska because by a credit humana, ya by winya human. But with business account, how do you explain, say, your license, now if I employ one person, how are you going to pay the person? And that is why you bring in a business development strategist or an accountant. The accountant will have to work hand in hand with your lawyer because your role is doing your business case and covering the legals for you. But the way I will bet me I am successful now, the license, say, will bet me a convincing home office on paper. On paper. 1, business plan. 2, cash flow forecast. So who was in 1 document or 2 documents with insurance. Not justification say ubenyeska. Not justification say ubetimi I employ nipa baako. You will be successful. This is where we will say to you, sir, as a person who is here lawfully, say who be a business under limited liability company, who business not a legal entity. The business can go ahead and do stuff. You are a director. The only thing I want to mean here a key level 1 person because ono and be issue COS no. And the reason why I want to mean issue COS in my is level 1 user must be a settled person. Or medofo medas into way I had a medibisi. I assume say questions beba. The questions bad, then we'll deal with it.
Wow, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's super great. Me, ukasa ina me dream sikasemo. And is this whole process capital intensive?
No.
Because what banasa only accord buy no through ne COS way no only across sponsor our no say or ma we jumanya na woni sika na how easy would they pay for you to set yourself up?
Okay. Enti ohima about a couple of months ago, you share startup loans, government agencies, and private agencies, omoma loans for businesses. Requirement being you say you're settled. It's the business. Now, to even get the loan, you will need a business plan and a cash flow forecast. It's a makan. Bibi can be Canada. The only thing is I'm putting a bit more emphasis on one area. Business plan, business setup, limited liability, cash flow forecast, how to run a successful business. We've done that. The video no YouTube, and I say or Facebook. But I'm call BWF solicitors, how to set up or run a successful business. It's there. Mature step-by-step approach, and it's in English. And you can go there and see it. So we'll call YouTube, and I will call your Facebook, BWF solicitors Facebook. So question no say a capital intensive no, because application fee what they say will start for near between 1 and 50 £536.
Okay.
Adia will bet a lawyer's fee into missing me. And we work hand in hand with our business development strategists. Remember, the technical team, I share the details within the next 1 minute or 2 minutes. She is a shrewd business strategist, or an accountant, or a business development strategist, and we're running big business, multi-million-dollar or pound business, both here and in Ghana, or Ghana by your and she's helped people. There are people who are watching her that she's helped. The last person she helped was last week. And this was a big business. She's drafted it within a very short time. I'm not sure how much she charges because in Bisa, but I will share her details. So while you're ready, she's a person I know. She's a woman of integrity. And I don't have a problem, say, over friend, say, or not set up business. She can do all for you, and then we'll work together to help your case.
Great. Now, my other question, whilst you were explaining things to us, was the level 1 user. Can the level 1 user be working elsewhere, as well as working for this new company?
Yes, level 1 user must be an employee of your business.
Okay.
And now, the Obibeka say, na lawyer, yes, 20 hours spend on meet me outside. Now, who set it up limited liability company? And you would yes, we are director, but business in an employee will be. And me, so me set up limited liability company. I can be an employee of the business.
Okay.
And we are all file tax. Sometimes, so what limited liability business, you be say what you are shares and what you are on salary. And the you are for want of a better way, emphasis me business in your front of Abacus Construction. And my bar, me bar with care. Yama me 2 years. But me bar, me person me move on, me and person me set up. And my could be Abacus Construction, me a director. I'm physically present in the UK, me a lawful. My set a business in the say you employ be anya me na ne wusu ana me you employ a business Abacus Construction and then I employ enti Abacus no betimi employ Irene or betimi employ Dr. Mark ebia for 2 hours a day and 1 day in the week ni rule and say level 1 user because ono na oba be issue COS no na one a we director no or the employer na we switch from okay no or the aba our business na wetimi agina so e dey yes.
Okay. Yo, Uncle Benny, that was bebree wo nchechemu ade ama yen anapay. It's here for So afiansa do if you did not to high Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. Maybe so I would say and would be so. And now say what download your Rainbow Radio application into would meet here and phone so. And now so say be I will share live Facebook. Uncle Ben and my enchechemu sa COS visas ya. Yenuanom ewo komu ha ne ekwan a wa so betimi afaso na wa set it up company ewo komu ha na wa employ wo ho. I think it's a very very good initiative you know yenuanom na maba komu ha na wodi COS we visa na buy nso no wuntimi enye adwuma enye ye no we akwan a abeda ho a say you betimi atake advantage. Phone lines no number wobetimi afre yen wo so 0208 133 4646 0208 133 4646. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning. I may answer them. Patch on what is saying.
Adum na won so e.
Uncle Pan, me ho yes.
Sure.
The baby patch o me person be say topic ya me person be a wo ya. We to me call back to put here. Me baby e pesa akwanche no idea na. Ya me nya ni Facebook. Nti me person me ho se kwan be na beto so amenya. Se waka say wi na person me call back to put here.
Oyema, ni nyina or Facebook. Yeah, call your Facebook for the past, several years now. Ana ni nyina or YouTube, ana ni nyina or BWF solicitors, your website. And you say, oh, a problem, ko BWF solicitors, your website. To some no say a record or your website. Into me, we are be one and first video. Your videos be a share. And also, on in your so, oh, a problem I call www.bwfsolicitors.com. And I would key bwfsolicitors.com. No, I call resources. O call resources
Okay.
Ubehu niema mienu wo. Yewo blog and yewo videos. And to call videos
Okay.
Sisi ameno kase. Sisi on BWF website. www.bwfsolicitors. Sisi ameno kase ewo ho. Dear Kweku and Charles Saturday ewo ho. Dear Kweku no Friday manye meno kase makoye website a mehwe. Enti mamenchira sana you. Call BWF Solicitors. www.bwfsolicitors.com. Ebe a website now. Ubehu esrubehu home practice about us resources. What the care sanity resources are. Click on videos. Or click on videos. Meno kasa sisi akra na ewoso. Enti your videos here every time. Why? Aha. I know that yeah shows sisi a. Enti ohwe Facebook sisi a. One will say BWF, one say me was so. My bad me no man. Kasa. Yes, enti bibia o.
Martin.
Okay.
Yo. Martin.
Okay. Caller number 2. We are 6044. Me pacho. Me mawo achema wa kwaba.
Yo, me to me mama che. Uncle Ben, any otifu na me chiamu na me pacho on the power me question kakweb na me sending the just me a British national and me confirm me by 5 years on 10th of September. Na into your 2.5 but on the card and I say I think the 18th December and a better year. I mean so 5 years as well. It's New Year indefiniteness. Is there a way to me city indefinite naturalization? And I say I will also go to the process of first person indefinite and then naturalization because I think sometimes when we speak there's a way to indefinite not go straight to naturalization. If I tell me I'm a person, Lisa Ekakwa. And the other question with Uncle Ben say, with the COS visa, is it safe to travel with the COS visa Sudan?
Okay.
Question.
Okay. Well, first of all, no, sir, apply for indefinite leave as a partner. Once a 5 years abano, although say biometric card no, it be with December no, I was say we because over September you can apply 28 days before the end of the 5 years. No, till your August 28th of August, ubetimi your application. Into ubetimi why?
Okay.
Oh yes, who was you?
Only indefinite naturalization street.
Okay, and say yeah, we naturalization.
Yeah, you.
So we naturalization. You have two routes. You have a 3-year route and you have a 5-year route. 3-year route near former Mawari British. 5-year route near former Omawari British. And to say nipa na lawfully for 3 years. Now or indefinite, ultimately apply for British citizenship. So on worry British, I was what now lawfully for 5 years. And a man indefinite in 1 year about under section 6.1.
Okay.
Why?
Okay. Uncle Ben, see, the whole kind of here. Me a British national, and I'm Mikunaba for 5 years. And the whole kind of say, and 3 years, got 3 years, I go with me naturalization.
There be because you it's a lawfully 3 years and I want definite, only indefinite. That is the only thing. To indefinite in there, and now bit me apply.
Okay. Only indefinitely now, and me apply for naturalization. Okay.
And when you're British, indefinite in there now, and can also train for 1 year.
Okay. Yeah, British means when you're indefinite in there, and they are COVID, they apply for the British.
Absolutely.
Okay. Me patron.
Yes.
Me dance fine. Second question, me tea answer no. Me kwa screen.
Second question, Mediama.
Second question, few maybe.
Well, Mediama, Monsieur Betty to call. Yes, so to me, come
Okay, me patron mate. Me dance pass me tea wo ha me mu she na nye client me ko tie wo we no. Me patron me dance pa.
On your website is why?
Yes, yeah, that's it. Caller number 590. Unama end 590. Me patrol to me ebisa wase. Good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, to say.
Adumo.
Pacho, me EU ni one. And meji settle status me back or 20 years. Nti oko Ghana say kodi holidays. Oko and oti wo hu ne classmates. Nti on pese mo ware. Ne guy no 18 years. Nti on pese o ware. And I say, okay, my friend said because of the EU into Wako Ghana no. How far na a bit my
Obano kra EU passport and I say okra Ghana passport or indefinite one.
No Ghana passport, but or settled status.
Yes. And obe apply amaniko no niko di 18 a omutimi ware problem bi ene ho. Sir opeso de no ba.
You see so
Also kasa.
the
Enti also be man di 18. Sir omo munyana di 18 and above. Ombetimi aware. But was so ye adwumanya 29,000.
ultimate for EU law no number.
Because okra Ghana passport. Ana EU law no so etwa 2020 December.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And Irene, Angela Hesse, Technical team, please bring it back. Angela Hesse ne flyer ne yɛde ato hɔ no. Enti ne number no ɛyɛ 07704283263. 07704283263. So wopɛ sɛ wo send an email a support@ladiesontheRun.co.uk. support@ladiesontheRun.co.uk. Area or Kavani, financial projections, market research, operational plans, business strategy, action plans, and ongoing support. Saa nneɛma a listing nyinaa. Angela minimum no. Wayɛ adwuma ma one of the biggest company in the UK, a multi-million pound company. Wayɛ adwuma ma company Ghana. I know her personally. She's a woman of integrity. 80. A business plan is required as part of your application for sponsorship license with the assistance of BWF solicitors. She's a friend. She's my family's friend. She's somebody who is a very, very hardworking woman. 80. She can help you. Business plan amaka. Wouldn't mean be on license without a business plan. So we have new business. We are old business here, you don't have a problem. But we are new business. You cannot. And even currently, no. So we are new business. Wouldn't mean could you see US without a business plan. And Timon Angela Hesse. Nidino Angela Hesse. Hesse. You can even Google her and you will see the sort of person she is. And Irene, it's a question be or my errand.
Sure, I offer for ewo ahamane so. Enti yebefano. Good morning.
Okay, good morning, Irene. Good morning, Lawyer Ben. Good morning.
Patrol to me bisa wasemwai.
Okay. That's a question. Mrs. Bawa apply say Okofani by Ghana, but now at the time of submitting application, when IHS fee late on a link nearby say on clicking on kutia, but or try say old channel somehow or share too much to before approving the payment on the app. Now I cancel it. The question maybe can say, then email no bit me. I requested for them to resend the link to pay the IHS again, and then maybe resend.
Well, link na omode by email. And say no response and no reply. That's different. Numbers wo I will call Home Office website. Numbers ni nyina wo but email na chro no. Sa email na obetimi ebisa na the link for fraba. And sa omfre service line 033 no. Omemano response. Why?
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, Auntie Irene.
Good morning.
Good morning, me Patrick is saying.
Adam Nanswe.
Yes, Adam Boko. Uncle Ben Pacho, me Chiao and Opel.
Major also.
Uncle Ben Pacho, me be a question, mini pabi. Or the school what I say you been a buy. Now, since I'll buy, I say, a Timobio could be no or qua no Macachan say, particular work and I say, or the buy like I say, only main applicant and one is or the. And the Oya pay all because of company or the Ben or Monty Mang man. And this any pan patrol dear no be. Na what you must say, and ask what you must put him I ate more you can or dear level. But
company I don't buy no or yeah Juma Masa company nana.
There be
and Tinasa no be amfano.
I'm going to be just a son or dear now obey
Oh, yeah, so what's your program? Oba as a care worker and answer them.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your program here? So what's your program here? I will say what answer. dada. Oko your website.
Oba no company na pacho metio.
So oko your website. Questions I will be saying, you know, yeah, videos ago. And to oko your website.
Okay.
Oko BWF. I know. Tiena memfa information we ma. Oko your website.
Pacho yo.
Oko BWF solicitors website. Oko resources. Na oko links. Ubehu se mede nkrofo a omo license e wo kromo ha. Go to useful link, go to care visas. Click on care visas. Or here any go on. Or here on Facebook. Bibia mo here bia any. Sadwe ya kan. Onko omo wo ho no baby a wotena na baby opese oye adwuma no the postcode ni hyema ebe yi adwuma a eye live a omo fanko omo wo position on betimi afa na omo wo license na wo ho no enti bibia wo hia bia BWF solicitors ko your website so ukoso a ko resort
okay na me ka chele say maba mo pen na me tatie wo so me tatie wo pa na bibia na me te ho akwan mo enti no me ka se omra BW solicitors no me hu no be hu a bibia mo ho akwan so betima ma na ayeden anya ho akwan na fi me ho ato no insana me ka chele anope na me
se adwuma na ope a onya so obeba ha onko your website no na on follow process na wo ho no fa apply for se adwuma na ope legal advice obetimi aba but se adwuma na ope
yo
no information no dada is there information no your program no we are the to your website free of charge because
me tio pa nti me say the bia mo de update e fa bibia ho ba ene en kwa de tio nti me ka che no why me da se pa anko be na me enhira o ene waduma ye fo nyina
okay
that's it bye anti arrange so me da se o
yeah imni abema yeah that's it na pay yeah caller number 2 270 una mane end 270 mema wa chema wa kwaba hello
yeah na me pacho me chiamo Uncle Ben, me pacho good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho me question me and me say medication go form kakra na say my yire me ho akoye me life in UK test na pass me pass ye no so aye ti san another test wo ho say me san akoye answer metumi aye me British book no na no me share when wo videos ni e wo YouTube no me hu ni say de kakra ma me na me kun na de me bae na me nya domestic violence ye ma me indefinite ba me ba no me ye that English test ni bi me bi fa say metumi use so eno ade akoye dia me di ye ya na na two nonsense no me for college bi e mo ye me sa listening and listening, hearing and listening. Me no me pass it. Me bisa say, make me the na kan wa kwa ye me book na. Me pass me question no.
Yeah, so person we British citizenship. We hear language of life and English. And English, you know, level B1. And now also acquire listening and speaking, and not speaking and listening. I was say and also life in UK can. Na so why you two no that obetimi apply.
Life in UK na my personal.
What pass life in
UK na my personal. Me pass here no. Me see my life in UK test no. Apparently. Me pass here no na yes me san for English test na listen and hearing no.
Yeah.
And no na me finding it difficult to say me for college bi I have say me for ye bi ma me pass say to make me use so and aka one for ya.
I just a man who college. And opa fabra open a number.
Me
Fabrem
pa
what?
you.
Fabrem what's I 07712. And they go 07712761884. 07712761884. I am a WhatsApp number. So I.
Uncle Ben, that's Yamin Shroud so much here, bro. Yamin Shroud. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You know about you say that was it. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay. Auntie, caller number 793. Good morning. Me patro me fa wa na wutia na we lower wo radio na wa bombarding so be mute wo ho ana be ye din se ne be ya oni akọ bisa na asem no ono nso ate. Why? Mr. Moa. Auntie, wa na ma end 793. Me patro ti me bisa wasem. Why? Good morning. Hello? Hello? Okay, so when you're ready, so Bekasa, ain't you know, it's here for phone calls. Me what you have said. Send me text and answer Mako line so back. Or say good morning, Auntie Irene and Uncle Ben. Please, I'm applying for a fee waiver. Home office needs my month's bank statement and I can't provide because my account is blocked. I have a letter from the bank which shows my account has been blocked due to ID check. Can I send the letter from home office to show I can't get my 6 month bank statement, or what should I do, please? Thanks.
Well, so we hear our bank statement. I was a bank in the amount. It doesn't matter so my block account. And will be some more. I was some of the brown. So I'm from Brewa use law no. Use the Data Protection Act. You're free to be a friend of SAR subject access request. Under your Data Protection Act, the subject access request or subject access to information no. Almost due to someone they will file bebre. And it's almost specific. We make specific. Someone from a bank statement in Bremen under Data Protection Act. Me here from this period to that period. Oma block you, the bebre. Okay?
Okay.
Because without
be
home office, and yadia or the bema, because on system no, access to Equifax, Experian, all the credit reference agencies no. Enti the unim se wo bank account no musu hu. Enti the first side bank ne say yemfa ya block no nka say yemfa bank statement ma. Enti so open in tema gina fako. Why?
Okay. Yeah, that's it, Uncle Ben. Offer for Mima watch and Mima Wahwa Baba Jumedi so. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. If I show money, so kakrawai, me that say.
Pacho, menu be the school and a buy. No buy, when your school fees nanko chania kayen. Until sene visa no in not an downful be a catching say. On my year security course now on far badge and finding a jumawo, ikrumaha. Na pese me bisa say. Obi to me aye juma, but I want to me uncle school nana.
I am a minute be a sure sir or answer to our question. First of all, the visa na ye twemana.
E patcho de be in chemo. But also o mo email ni say on first school near school fees near Canberra.
Patcho da be no mo email no.
Patcho last month.
Na che say enche bia o metwem. Ohema nipa na mo nko school. Ada na opese okoye adwuma. I think say I was so concentrating now. Mr. Oman na ni anahasa na dwen ko say obe free baby o wono akọ bibi foforo so. Because enche bia o metwem. you know, sometimes your priorities here so totally misplaced. One co school, automatic so metrim. Yenyan twemu, what time I'll be to me the switch ako bibi. I don't know what drain, so quiet course ako security. Because security no, we your course no. Na wokɔ start adwuma na acha 2-3 months you twa visa no ma ombe yiwedi ti adan mu na wo ma wo nan ensi bibi so na enya firm foundation ansa na wadwen adwuma no ho you know Mr. we misplaced priority man adwen kɔ so obeye either so obetue fees no na akɔso aye the studies no anase oniska ompe bibi no switch it to as soon as possible. Why? Okay.
You have show. Yes, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Okay. Yeah, next caller. I drop. So, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
It's the same.
Good morning. We pass on what you say.
Yeah, who you announce what?
Uncle Ben. Good morning. So we can Uncle Ben. Fiancé visa no. Hello. Hello. Invest. No or inviting the fiancé. And a best no. And now say Opa. Area the patch maybe not in year to come. I mean, the same said as you to my medicine.
As they all kind of visitors visa and your fiancé visa. Yentwa muda. Ana fiancé visa and Casanzo yentwa muda. Intiminim at the potia or patcher no say. Or girlfriend, boyfriend, now person besrawa. Ubit me a man besra. There's nothing wrong with it. Until me a visitor's visa, no abesram. Why? The here so be sure say or a genuine visitor or scar or baobedi or baobeko. Those are the requirements also show. Why? Okay.
Minya Bema. Say clear. Hello.
Yeah. Good morning. Oh.
Okay.
And maybe not if one of the topic of fiancé. Hello. I don't know. Maybe say hello. So far as all your fiancé, we need to communicate in here. What mean your fiancé? Almost fiancé visa. And yet visitor visa. Na make as a
Second caller, hold on. Niauka hello. Pacho, hold on, mommy. Why?
Okay.
Me that say. Uncle Bernard, me Pacho, Bibi will have a catcher in your bed, Mayana, because Uncle Bernard Pacho said there is nothing like a fiancé visa. It's a visitor's visa. And I'm not sure if there is anything Uncle Ben can add to that.
Under the partner rules, so will be betna as a partner, or bet me about as a fiancé. But I don't know about betna and your visit. Man of 6 months. Now oba or worry we are now Omamano.
2.5.
But
yeah,
they are not all kind of also percent.
But you don't know.
Oh, here we try to make explain why. What's it open so back and stra now in tree you can so be bansra na just so back on a visit. And to visit visa no bibi anymore your friend of fiancé visit visa. Fiancé visa no a lead to settlement because oba switch. Enti eno ana me yentwa moda and that's all. Say you visit either oba besra ne boyfriend or the fiancé and answer oba as a fiancé normal worry no wagina so de apply no watena no ne nyina wo ho yentwa mu. The only thing I say obi person a girlfriend betna or give visa ba no mo worry wa ha, I don't encourage it because ubetua 5,000 uwia we your application ni wia eno say man 6 months per or yan application or worry we no yan application obesa akotua 3,400 and 3,815. It's not worth it. Until within 6 months now we could over 8,000. It doesn't make sense. The 2% nipa no ba obetimi aba o ware na obetumi aba o pese oba no besra o keke a obetumi aba besra o pese oba on a marriage visitor obetumi aba on a marriage visit ba mo ware wie o so san akọ fiancé visa na dey obeba on 6 months. Within 6 months you marry, then you apply for 2.5 years. Visitors visa, you come 6 months, you have to go back. Married visitors visa, you come, you marry, you have to go back. Those are the difference. Okay.
One girl stupid. Okay. That's in a Mishra.
Yes,
In a Mishra mobile community.
Thank you very much. Second caller.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry, sir, we're not swatcher. Why?
No problem. Good morning. But you may be sure you be a last 2 weeks. I'm delayed. If I be 2 years, way biometric resident card. Why settle? Actually, almost I'm sure so almost I'm another card for. And owning, you say, Sanipano, still also sending e-visa.
Okay. Enti yaya video, yaya flyer, EU4 ewo e-visa, omuhia e-visa. Obi a owa on a BRC. Oje no under EU settlement route. Omu nyinaa ewo e-visa. Omu hia e-visa. Why?
Oh, thank you. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Okay. Bye. Okay. And mefa text message away. Or say, good morning, sir. Please, I came with a student visa. My wife joined me here and we gave birth here. It's time to switch to postgraduate visa. Please, my question is the baby eligible to pay some of the insurance charges and the processing fees?
Yes, and sir, your application for dependents obi under 18 bia otua reduced fee ontua 1,035 no. Nti oba no obetua immigration fee so, but enye 1,035 for a year no, discounted.
Okay. All right. Into what I said no question. I hope that answers. 18 minutes past 10. May I sure say your lady, I'm not sure who'll be giving us the English version of the topic. Yes, you're discussing and then no.
Pamela, why crado? Nti Pamela, so why crado? Potono kakrama ya na yanko.
Good morning, Irene and Mr. Wusu. Good morning to our lovely viewers as well. Today's topic is self-sponsoring as a skilled worker, the basic rules of employing yourself under the skilled worker route. So it's a really interesting topic. If you are a skilled worker in the UK, it is possible for you to self-sponsor yourself, which is to get a COS certificate so you can work for your own business in the UK. So the skilled worker route is one of the ways a person can work and stay in the UK as an immigrant. So the starting point, which is the first basic rule, is that you would need to be in the UK lawfully. It's important to know that although you're in the UK, you have to be in the UK lawfully. And it could be a 1 year visa, 2 years, 3 years. It could also be a skilled worker visa that you are on. So normally, although you are tied to a condition of working under your employer, under your skilled worker visa, you can still create or set up your own business. It is possible to set up your own business even if you are in the UK under a skilled worker visa. So the only thing that you cannot do under your skilled worker, no, under your own business is be a key level 1 officer. So you also need to register your business as a limited liability company, and you need proof of several documents. So there are certain supporting documents and Annex A that you will need. You will need to register your business with the company house, and then you need to apply for your sponsor license. It is important that the business and the business owner are present physically in the UK. You'd also need to show your employer's liability insurance, that the insurance will cover you for 5 million, and the insurance company has to be regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. That's the FCA. That's really, really important. Then the third thing is you'd have to register with HM Revenue and Customs as a business. Then after you register, you would get your PAYE number and a tax revenue number. And these numbers are very important when you are making your sponsor application. So it's very important that you register with HM Revenue and Customs. And the fourth thing is that if your business has operated for at least 12 months, you would need a company tax return. You need to have a company tax return. And also, if the government has said that your turnover profit for your business is over 60,000, you would have to register for VAT. It's important. So please, if your turnover profit is more than £60,000, you need to register for VAT. You'd also need to prove that the address where your business is running from is, you have to prove the address where you operate your business from. That's also a very important step to take. And you need to prove your most recent annual account from a certified regulated accountant. This certified regulated accountant has to be someone who is regulated by one of the accounting regulators in the UK, because you will need your bank account. So if you do not have a bank statement because you have not yet started operating as a business, your accountant will have to write a letter for that as well. So before you are able to employ yourself, or before you are issued a COS as a business, you would have to appoint certain people in your business. That's because you cannot yet employ yourself. So you need to appoint an authorizing officer. This authorizing officer has to be a senior person who is competent, who will manage your SMS system. And the SMS system is what you will use to issue the COS and apply for extension. Then you would also need to appoint a key contact. So with a key contact person, your lawyer can be a key contact person. The person can also be an employee, a partner, or a director of your business. You cannot be a key contact person because the key contact person has to be a level 1 person. And the minimum requirement for a level 1 person is the person has to be settled in the UK. And since you are in the UK on a visa, you are not settled, which means you cannot be a key contact person. The key contact person also has to be an employee of the business. And it's important to note that since the business is a limited liability company, the employment contract will not be between yourself and the person, but would be between the company and the person, since the company has its own identity. So then the employment contract will be between the company and the person. So what the key contact person is going to do is, the key contact person will be the one who will grant you with a COS certificate, which you will then be able to use to work in your own company and eventually get settlement under the skilled worker route. So self-sponsoring is possible only if you are above 18 in the UK lawfully, you have no criminal conviction, you have not been declared bankrupt, and you have also not been banned to be a director of a company. You also have to declare the genuine vacancy. So for your business, you will declare one vacancy. That's because you want to employ just yourself. So the way to be successful and to end up getting your sponsor license and by to convince the Home Office on paper is you have to have a business plan and your cash flow forecast. If you are able to get these in documents and you have your insurance and justification that you have the money and then justification that you also be able to employ one person, you would be successful in getting your sponsor license. And this way, you will also be able to self sponsor yourself in the UK. I hope this helps. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much, Pamela. I'm saying Breno Ekopa intino. Me pesa kope no be my closing summaries na yedi dwumedie no aba ewie for today.
Okay, Irene, yɛda wase bebree sɛ wɔaso yɛ mo kɔ so community no mu. Anuanom ne adɔfo, topic wei ɛyɛ because example, yɛwɔ so yi obi afrɛ, obi aba, onya COS, ɔnya COS, onya adwuma, wɔnya adwuma, hours no nnɔɔso, yɛbɛtwa COS no mu. This is why refer mo. The sad thing in our community is that sometimes, yɛpɛ sɛ nkurɔfoɔ yɛ nneɛma ma yɛn. Bibia muhia to go on this route, egu your website. So we set your business, how to set it up, how you can run it successfully. Ni nyina egu your website so. Enti no so that everybody understands. So what is COS baha? Na our profession be and our special skill be our bitimi de aye adwuma. My examples, either a caterer, a baker, a butcher, mechanic, refrigerator, air condition, BBR with me. Call, register a business, get a license, appoint someone, get a COS for yourself. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Uncle Ben. It's here for okay. Mema 2 minutes because my phone will be into me. 1 minute. Hello.
Okay. Hello. Pacho, good morning. Bichiamo and Yadamwasin so for the educational model in our community. Pacho, maybe a company, a balloting company, me a director. Unfortunately, in the whole year, no contract there was no revenue, but there were only 2 expenses like the bank charges and business insurance. So now person be sank Ben say, but to me I prepare company accounts at the end of the year, no, but to me I online and without getting an accountant involved because there was no transaction. But to me I online and
well, obia to me a file on one account, so we hear accountant to file it. And yes, we bet me a call. Microphone be brave your bomb accounts. Why? To bet me. Good luck.
Okay.
That's it. It's here for Hannah Ebermaya Quania Digimedi and Sina Asana Becono Mepese Memau Uncle Ben on one number any office numbers and so pesa for BWF betimia from so office line is 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Opese wo emergency na pese on friend Uncle Bena patron number A is 077-127-61884 077-127-61884. It's here for Facebook for your better massive mo fie whichever means would the and I pay Madam Wasena Yamea Domada Sene Ubishia for another edition of the Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. Uncle Ben, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
And you. Bye.
Bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.